Hello, everybody. Italy turn 13. First of all, housekeeping things. Mooch, we had talked over chat, and he had one too many infantry there, so I just deleted one that was left behind. I think that leaves the battle unaffected, so went ahead and did that. Also noticed he left the German symbol on southern England, deleted that so that his income was proper, and then I updated his income to 29, which is what he's got left. So I think that's that. FEC, looks like I think FEC should be at 11. So I'm going to go ahead and mark that because the bonus with Lower Egypt is no longer in play. So wanted to make sure those were accurate before we did any rating. Okay, starting with techs, Italy is looking for improved construction and did not get it. Coming over to buys, Italy's buying 2 infantry, 3 militia, 1 upgrade, and leasing a fighter to Germany. Coming back to the board for attack moves. Let's start with this raid here. So attackers in red and black is defender. With radar, there's no advantage, I think, if I'm remembering right. I can never remember. Yeah, it's an even roll now, I believe. Okay, let's see what happens. That's nothing. So that's coming over. Next, we're going to be attacking the shipyard here. Fighter escorting. So defending fighters, 3 fighters for the British, all rolling at a 4. And then the attacker, we have 1 fighter rolling at a 3 and 1 bomber rolling at a 1. So this is the interception combat. I'm looking for 1 or less hits in order to get through and bomb the shipyard. So here we go. Okay, it looks like 1 hit on the interception on the Italian fighter, so he's gone. No hits coming the other way. So then we'll take care of the damage on the factory or on the shipyard and see what happens there. Okay, it's 2. All right, and then let's see if the facility shoots the bomber down. Does not. Okay, so the bomber is going to land up here. So that's that done, and that done. Now we're going to come in and do Yugoslavia. So we got a fighter and an artillery versus an airborne at a 2. So the artillery is going to shoot a first strike. If it hits, the battle's done before it starts. Looking for a 2. Did not get it. So now we have a 6 versus a 2. Both missed. Okay. Now we have a 2 and a 6 versus a 2. And that's a hit. So that artillery is going to come in there. And the Italians are going to get a little more income since the Germans had that one before. I need to think about where to land that. I haven't decided quite yet. So he would have range of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I'm going to land him in Warsaw, I believe. Yeah, and okay. So then our last attack move, we're coming into Jordan here, bringing let's see, yeah, bringing an artillery. These 3 men. This guy's going across the desert. So that's 2 transports coming in here. So on this one, I'm gonna have an artillery. So the artillery won't come on first. So it's gonna be 4 1s, I believe, since this is a desert. 4 1s coming off the boats. One of them's not coming off the boat. So let's see what we get with the 4 1s. Come on, 1 would be nice. Nothing. And then on defense, a 2 and a 4, I believe. 2 and a 4. Really would not like to see a hit here on defense. Okay, we're clean. All right, so now everything comes on, and now we have a artillery shot with a guy, so that's going to boost me to 2 2s, and then 3 1s, 2 2s and 3 1s, versus 2 and a 4. 3 1s, 2 2s, 2 and a 4. Looks like we got him. Yep. No losses. That was great. All right. All right, so then the 2 transports will be right there. And so that completes that. Now we just have non-coms. So I'm going to be railing a lot of stuff. So I'm railing 4 infantry up to Warsaw. 2, 3, and 4. So that opens that, and that. Okay. And then these guys are non-combat. You can non-combat across a thing there, so I'm going to do that. And then he's going to rail up to here. And I think that's all my lines. Yeah, so we'll just need to find out if Mooch wants to bring 3 ships out. That's a question. Other than that, I think we can start to place. So I'm going to go ahead with the militia first. So I have 3 of these. So what I'm doing here is doing an upgrade and a placement in Venezuela. So that puts that, and then I'm putting 1 in the southeast US. So that takes care of all 3 of those. Then we'll go ahead and add the German fighter here. That takes care of the Lend-Lease. And then we got our 2 infantry, which we'll add here and here. And I think that's it. I think that's it. Italy is going to collect, so as the 2 for the no-med ships, 21 plus 2, 23. So going +1 versus what we had. And I think that's it. Good luck to the USA.